Expressive Emotions. Welcome to our YouTube channel. And in this channel, we'll be giving you daily vocal warm-ups that would help you to improve your voice and become a better singer. If you're just joining this channel for the first time, please click the subscribe button and click the notification bell because in this channel, we'll be giving you the best of all tips on how to use your voice better. Inhale deeply with a big smile. Exhale with for laughter or for crying. Watch how your abs go in. These exercises improves emotional expressions and connects emotions with vocal delivery. Vocal exercise. So in this vocal exercise, we're going to relate a simple phrase from a simple song and put it into our exercise and try to express with different emotions. Are you ready? Let's go. Major arpeggio scale, descending. Do, so, mi, do. And while singing it, I want to apply different expressions. So what I'm going to do is happy, sad, sad, happy. Do, so, do. Let's go. Do, so, do. Do, so, do. Over to you. Beautiful. Yeah, we hold down our voice, focusing on expressing warmth and comfort. It takes about. Let's go. The song we're going to try out is Leonard Cohen's Hallelujah. Try to sing this song with a lot of expressions and emotions poured into the song. Now I've heard there was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord. You don't really care for music, do ya? But it goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor falls, and the major lift. The baffled king composing the hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Hallelujah. I'd love to hear in the comments how you tried out using this expressive vocal exercise to be able to express the songs that you are trying out for today. Don't forget to subscribe to this beautiful channel. Okay, and if you want exclusive trainings, music lessons, and voice lessons, Presidio Media, just log on to www.presidiomedia.com to receive the best of vocal and music education. See you in the next video.